In sales, one of the most underused but most powerful tools you have isn't a script. It's not a pitch, not a case study. It's silence. But here's the challenge. Most salespeople are uncomfortable with silence. The moment a prospect pauses, we feel the urge to jump in or explain more or to start stacking up features and benefits, etc. But when you do that, you rob the prospect of the chance to process and emotionally connect with the solution. You take away the moment where they discover on their own their motivation to move forward or to ask different questions, whatever it is. And let's face it, in 2025, when prospects are absolutely overwhelmed with polished pitches, automated sequences, giving them real space is very rare and it's refreshing. So here's something to actually try this week. Ask a peer or even a prospect, situation pending, of course, off the record, how do you see yourself using this? Then wait. 10 to 15 seconds, no rescuing, no prompting, no nothing. When they answer, then count to 10, then reframe what they said as a question, then wait again. If it feels uncomfortable at first, you'll be amazed what surfaces as you simply give them room to think. Silence is not a threat. It's a critical part of communication in general. And also, I've never heard of a salesperson listening their way out of a sale, but we know the opposite can be true. So the question is, are you giving your prospects enough space to sell themselves? Or are you jumping in too soon and selling past the close? I'm Chris McDonell. Good selling, everybody.